Yo, what's good, y'all? How y'all been? It's Dildone Brew again with another KOFFI Noir unboxing. Yes, I know it's been about a week or so since I posted my last video on the Pierre Chelsea boot, but guess what? Another client's order has arrived, and I'm super excited, to show you guys what I have here because, it's prom season, of course, and a close friend of ours, a family friend of ours, wanted to order a pair of shoes for a young man who is getting ready to attend prom this season. So, I got super excited and we went about the process of designing a shoe for this young man. And I can't wait to see his prom photos with a pair of our shoes on his feet. So without further ado, let's check out what we have here. Bam. This is our Henson Captoe Oxford in burgundy. I'll say like ox blood, but yeah, it's burgundy. Full grain calf. As you guys already know, Goodyear welted. You guys can see that. Yes, Goodyear welted. Also, with a day night or die night. Yeah, I think it's die night. I think it's pronounced die night. Die night sole. Goodyear welted. Again, these can be resold. And this young man's going to have these shoes for quite some time. I can say that for sure. But yeah, what do you guys think? This is a beautiful shoe. I love the Captoe Oxford. Even though this is more close to more of a formal shoe, right? Because of the minimal perforations that's on the shoe. This is more close to being a formal shoe. But, me, I'm a fan of burgundy, as you guys can see with the corduroy jacket or whatnot. So, yeah, I thought this was a great choice. I believe the young man will be wearing a navy suit, I believe. So I'm a fan of the combination of blue and navy, as you guys can see here. Blue and navy make really great color combinations, very beautiful jewel tones. When I actually, as you guys can see here, from the hat to the coat and the jacket, I'm wearing all jewel tones. But even this right here is a great color combination. It just blends well. It's very in sync. And yeah, I can't wait to see him in his suit with our Henson Captoe Oxford on his feet. Oh man. Wow, these are beautiful. Look at that. Die night sole. Yes. Boom. So yeah, that's our unboxing of the Henson Captoe Oxford. In the comments below, please, share your thoughts, your opinions. How do you guys feel about the Henson Captoe Oxford, from KOFFI Noir? How would you style this shoe? What would you pair it with? By the way, I wanted to do a quick shout out to my boy Akatunde Ahmad. I believe his birthday just passed, and I'm wearing one of his pieces, this crown right here from a détaché. I think it's about $40. You guys can go support. It's a corduroy, baseball cap, super comfortable, super dope. Of course, the quality is there. And yeah, I had to, give him a quick shout out to let him know that, yeah, man, we support each other around here. Go check him out at détaché.com. And yeah, check out all the new pieces that he just got back from Ghana. And also you can find these hats there as well. Everyone, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any of our unboxings or other KOFFI Noir related content. So with that being said, thank you for checking out this unboxing by KOFFI Noir of the Henson Captoe Oxford. Also, to be on the lookout for another unboxing as we reveal our Aya penny loafer. Yes, it's the first shoe of a small capsule women's collection that I'm in the process of developing as well, so the ladies can also have access to some premium high quality footwear. But again, my name is Dildone from KOFFI Noir, and you guys have a wonderful day. Peace.